What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now, what we have here is another GMADE kit. And this one is a GS02F BOM kit. Beautiful, it's got like that cantilever suspension at the back. Really cool, gives you that, unique rear end there where you don't see the shocks. It's all kind of laid down underneath. Really nice. So obviously I've had some awesome kits on the channel lately from GMADE, and all these links will be down in the description down below. There's the Buffalo, and these are all kits, so you build them up, and which I love. I love building them pretty much same as running them. So that's the Buffalo and the GOM Rock Buggy Plus kit. Looks cool. I've got to get the running video of this coming soon. Just did that. Go check them videos out if you want, and like I've had full build videos of these as well. So this one I guess will be like a semi-build video. So here are some of the quick specs, and doesn't it look cool? So it's 1/10 scale, front weight distribution, chassis mounted steering servo, link suspender, suspension, rear cantilever system, inner fender guards, which is really nice. So it kind of mitigates all the mud and stuff getting up in there. Forward drive, overdrive, so the front wheels spin slightly faster than the rear. 2-speed transmission, and it's assembled kit, and it's also got the torque twist system on there as well, just like the Buffalo there as well. So let's go have a look and see what you get. This will be just a quick unboxing and see the parts, because the parts I've found for GMADE are fantastic, and the value for money are excellent. So as you can see, here's the kind of frame there as well, nice and black. Now I've also got some upgrade parts as well, so we'll check them out after we just go through all these parts. I've noticed that there's not much flashing on these parts as well, which is really nice. So you don't have to do too much cutting after you cut it off the sprue. Bag F, everything's nicely labelled. All the screws and bolts, nuts, everything like that are really nicely labelled. Bag A, obviously full metal suspension. Full metal drive shafts, metal gears, full ball bearings throughout as well. And I love GMADE. I keep saying in every video, but I do. My first GMADE kit was the Jeep. And I love that, the Jeep Sawback, and that's still around. Some nice wheels here. What else we got here? Oh yeah, here we go. See what I mean about the all the screws? So everything is nicely labelled, and you never need to second guess what you're using, because it's just perfect. Really good attention to detail with that stuff, and that's part of the fun about building kit. That's why I love building kits like Tamiya back in the day. They were really fun kits. They're like Legos of the RC world. Nice metal plate here. And it's a nice little quality or QC pass, which is really good to see. It's got a little signature there and a date. I don't see that often, so it's pass date of only 7th of this month. So that's really good. Nice new kit. Here's a sweet kind of square body. Looks cool. And the benefit of having this cantilever suspension, it's kind of flat at the back, you don't see the shocks, and that's awesome. Foam for your tyres, so you need 4 of those. Here are your inner guards. Great setup. I love that idea. It looks more realistic as well. And your sweet tyres, these are really nice and soft and pliable. Seems like they give really nice performance. So they are the GMADE MT1904 tyres. Need 4 of those, which is what we have. Rod ends, all your links, aluminium. Some bling here at the front, that nice square old school looking grill, which I love, and some other accessories. You've got your mirrors and stuff like that. So aluminium bodied shocks with coilover system, shock fluid there, everything like that. Now let me know down below, what do you like? Do you like running them more, or you like building them more, or both the same? Interesting to know. This is a huge bag here. So you got your parts or your boxes for your electronic equipment. Your chassis rails, obviously C channel all metal. Really nice setup. So there's a lot to it, a lot fits in this little box. There's your transmission, all metal, transmission casing, and your motor mount, which you can change the easily change the pinion size and just mesh it out, no issues there. And so this is a kit, so you need your own electronic equipment. So I spoke to GMADE and said, I wouldn't mind, let's build a kit with all your electronics just to see how it goes. If someone wants to do the same thing, they can. So this is a basic brushed 40 amp waterproofed ESC. It's great. You can do drag brake, yes or no. You can do lipo or nickel metal hydro. So this is a great setup. You just want to get into it and just have fun. And also the GMADE 35 tooth brush motor. You can always change these later out if you want, obviously. And also servo, so this is just a high torque metal gear servo, does the job. And here's some option parts. So these is the cantilever set, so look at that, really nice quality aluminium. Another steering servo there, because you need two, one for the, or you need another one for the shifting. Nice aluminium wheel hub, so they're 12 millimeters, 8 millimeter thick. Saves you using the stock plastic ones. Another tyre, some sweet stickers, instruction manual, and the GMADE logo there. Awesome. So I can't wait get onto this. Should be fun. Holidays are around the corner now. Nearly Christmas. Can't believe it. That flew past. So quick unboxing, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have this kit, drop the beast. I will be dropping it, but I drop these, but they keep on going. That's the benefit of GMADE. Yeah, if you have this kit, let me know. What have you done to it? Any options that you've added to it, or what do you think of GMADE in general? Because like I said, in my opinion, I think they're great. Fantastic value for money. They bring out some sick looking kits. They have RTRs ready to run. You can get these in like ready to run as well, or you can build them like this as well, and they perform really well. And one of the main benefits of them, parts availability. Awesome. Got their own website, you can buy it online as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe if you want to check these cars out. Links will be in the description, and I will get building on this as soon as I can. So you notice my shirt as well. Thanks Big Squid RC, sent me a shirt. Go check them out. So yeah, thanks guys, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.